Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on create invite on your role settings, on permissions, on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and click settings. Now click roles, click here. Now click permissions, and here as you see you'll find in membership permissions create invite. Click on it and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.